What happens to your body when you eat too much protein? Protein is one of 3 macronutrients, which are nutrients your body needs in large amounts on a daily basis. Protein is broken down into amino acids, which are required for critical processes like muscle growth, hormone and neurotransmitter synthesis, and immune function. While protein is essential for health and high-protein diet offer several health benefits, some people may go overboard when it comes to their protein intake and take in more protein than their body needs. Side effects of eating too much protein. If your diet isn't well balanced, or if you're consuming more calories from protein than your body needs, it could lead to the following side effects. 1. Constipation. If your diet is very high in animal-based protein and low in fiber-rich plant foods like fruits and vegetables, you might experience constipation and other digestive symptoms like bloating. 2. Weight gain. Over-consuming calories, meaning you're taking in more calories than your body burns on a daily basis, will cause you to gain weight. Although high-protein diets have been shown to be effective for weight loss, consuming too many calories in general, no matter the source, can cause you to gain weight. 3. Malnourishment. Protein is the most filling macronutrient, so eating excessive amounts of protein may interfere with your intake of other nutritious foods, such as fruits and vegetables. To ensure you're eating a balanced diet that contains all the nutrients your body needs, it's best to consume balanced meals that provide a source of protein, fiber-rich carbs, and healthy fats. How much protein should you eat in a day? A person's daily protein requirement depends on several factors, including their age, gender, body weight, body composition goals, and physical activity levels. The recommended dietary allowance, RDA, for protein is currently set at 0.8 g per kilogram of body weight, 0.36 g per pound, per day. According to experts, daily protein requirements for active adults fall between 1.2, 2.0 g per kilogram, 0.54, 0.9 g per pound. If you're concerned that you're taking in too much protein, a healthcare provider can determine your protein requirements based on factors like your gender and activity, and review your dietary intake to see if your current protein intake is excessive.